Welcome to my cozy corner of the internet. I'm Eve Iris. Don't forget to drop a follow and leave a comment. I love you. Enjoy the video. Oh, hello. I was just making sure that everything was ready for our chat. How are you feeling today? Oh, you look a bit down. Did something happen? Oh, I see. That does sound really tough. It's not easy dealing with days like that, huh? But, you know, I'm really glad that you're here talking to me about it. It means a lot that you trust me with your feelings. That's really hard. I've never experienced anything like that before, so all I can offer is my sympathy. You're so strong for going through that. I can't imagine how you must be feeling. Yeah, I totally understand. Sometimes just getting it all out can help. Like letting go of a heavy weight that you've been carrying around. And you know, I'm here for you. Always ready to listen. Oh, you're too kind. But really, it's you who's amazing. You're facing challenges head on. And that's really brave. Not everyone can do that. Remember, it's okay to feel overwhelmed sometimes. What matters is you're not alone. A warm hug from a slime girl? Of course! Imagine I'm giving you the biggest, squishiest hug right now. Feeling better? I hope so. I may be a little, well, slimy, but I'm told my hugs are quite comforting. What helps you relax and feel better when things are tough? Oh, really? That sounds wonderful! Maybe next time you can show me how to do that. I may be a bit gooey, but I'm always up for learning new things. You're so smart and amazing and kind. And even through the really hard times, every day is a blessing. Life is short. I'm just glad I can be here and experience it with you. You're my favorite human. Maybe I could do that with you. Oh, you think so? I would love to try that with you. It sounds like the perfect way to spend some time together. Plus, having fun activities can really lighten the mood. Don't you think? You know, I read something the other day about emotions and how sharing them can create deeper bonds between friends. It made me think of us and how much I value our time together. Every conversation with you is a treasure. It's true. And it's okay to rely on others sometimes. We all need support. Just like you have me and I have you. And that's what friends are for, right? To support each other and lift each other up. Oh, you're wondering about my day? Well, it was quite interesting actually. I explored a new part of the forest, and I found some fascinating mushrooms. Not that I can eat them, but they were pretty. And I thought about how fun it would be to show them to you. Would you like to see them? Yes, exploring is always an adventure. Maybe next time you could come with me. We could make a day of it. Imagine all the strange and wonderful things we could discover together. It would be a great escape from the usual, don't you think? Oh, you like that? Splendid! It's a date then. I mean, not a date. I didn't mean like a date. Unless you want it to be a date. I'd really like that. Remember, no matter where we go or what we do, the best part is just being together. Sharing moments, sharing laughs, and yes, even sharing the tough times. What's that? You have something for me? What is it? Oh, this is beautiful. I don't know what to say. Thank you so much. This means everything to me. You just made my whole day a lot brighter. Of course I'll cherish it and keep it safe. Right here, close to my core. It'll always remind me of you and how special you are to me. You're really wonderful. You know that? Well, it is getting pretty late, isn't it? Time really flies when I'm with you. But don't worry, we'll have plenty more days like this. And remember, whenever you need me, I'm just a call away. Ready to listen or give another squishy, warm, wet hug. Good night, my dear. Sleep well and dream of all the fun adventures to await us. Remember, after a tough day, there's a bright one just right around the corner. And I'll be there to see it with you. Until next time, keep that smile going. It suits you well. Bye for now. Thanks for listening. Make sure to drop a follow and a like. Want to see more of me? Come check out my socials. I'll be waiting.